Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to unforget a Bluetooth device on iPhone. If you have accidentally tapped forget this device on your iPhone, do not worry. So firstly what you need to do is you need to open your settings. And from here under the setting, what you need to do is you need to select this Bluetooth in the top. And here, to get started, make sure your Bluetooth device is turned on. Beside this Bluetooth, you need to simply toggle on this icon and make sure it has enough battery power. And if it's already connected to another phone, tablet or computer, you need to disconnect it first. So next, you need to put your Bluetooth device into pairing mode. This step varies depending on the device. So what you need to do is, you can simply select the other devices on the bottom. And once you see its name, you need to tap on it to begin pairing. And if prompted, you need to enter the pairing code or confirm the pairing request on both your iPhone and the Bluetooth device. And after a few seconds, the device should be reconnect and appear under My Devices. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.